What is going on, world? It's J Dawson. We are back for yet another unboxing and review video, and pack just touched down. Look at that, fresh from S2S Clothing. I mean, right now these are hands down by far the best gym shorts on the market, and they have them in multiple colorways, and I love it because they're lightweight, they're breathable. The quality is amazing. Like, everything is like double stitch, even like down to like the drawstrings. Like the drawstrings is like, it has like these metal tips on it and everything, so you don't have to worry. And then like these metal rings right here, so you don't really have to worry about too much like after you wash them. Like, you know how sometimes like your drawstrings come out and stuff, but on the inside, like, they're very breathable. And I love how they have like these tapered bottoms and everything here, so like when you do put on like your compression shorts or you wear anything underneath these, you know, they have a nice little slit on the side as well. And then like my favorite part is like the embroidered logo. Like, again, quality wise, it's like amazing. Like, again, double stitch, and it has like this like felt like material here and everything. And so for those of you who may not know, S2S stands for 727, which is the area code down here in St. Petersburg, Florida. And I don't even want to call these guys like a local clothing brand. Like, this is beyond local. Like, this is like international, worldwide. I've already been wearing these and some of the other like gym shorts and everything, just kind of just testing them out over the past couple of days, and by far, like, I love it. Like, not only are they lightweight, not only are they breathable, comfortable, but again, they're stylish. Like, I can put on any, you know, gym shirt or any top to go with it, and you know what I'm saying, like, I feel like I probably have my cell phone in my hand taking pictures of this more than I'm lifting weights. Everybody, make sure you get online, get on Instagram, and go follow S2S Clothing, as well as I'll leave a link down in the description to their website and their other social medias as well. And until the next time, I'm up out of here.